Experiment 5. Aim. To study the following properties of acetic acid, ethanoic acid. 1. Odor, smell. 2. Solubility in water. 5. Effect on litmus. 4. Reaction with sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Materials required. Test tubes. Test tube stand. A dropper. A beaker. Water. Litmus paper. A cork with a bent tube fixed in it. Acetic acid, ethanoic acid. Distilled water. Sodium bicarbonate. Freshly prepared lime water. Theory. Acetic acid. The chemical name of acetic acid is ethanoic acid and its molecular formula is CH3COOH. The functional group of acetic acid is carboxyl group, COOH, which is a colorless liquid having smell like vinegar. It can freeze at 16.6 degrees Celsius and in pure form is called glacial acetic acid due to its ice-like crystals formed at temperature below 16.6 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water. It dissociates in water to form CH3COO and H+ ions. The dissociation is partial and therefore it is a weak acid. It turns blue litmus red. It reacts with sodium bicarbonate to liberate CO2 gas. NaHCO3 in solid state. Sodium bicarbonate plus CH3COOH in liquid state. Acetic acid results in CH3COONA in aqueous state. Sodium acetate plus H2O in liquid state. Water plus CO2 in gaseous state. Carbon dioxide. It reacts with alcohol to form ester. This reaction is called esterification. Esters have fruity smell. CH3COOH. Acetic acid plus C2H5O. Ethyl alcohol with H2SO4 results in CH3COOC2H5. Ethyl acetate. Ester plus H2O. Water. Procedure. 1. Dilute the given acetic acid with distilled water in a beaker. 2. Pour 5 ml of acetic acid in a test tube and do the following tests. Test 1. Odor. Take 5 ml of acetic acid in a test tube and smell it by wafting. Observation. It has a peculiar pungent smell like vinegar. Inference. Acetic acid has a vinegar-like smell. Test 2. Solubility in water. Take 2 ml of water in a test tube, add 10 to 15 drops of acetic acid and shake it. Observation. It dissolves in water to form homogeneous solution. Inference. Acetic acid is soluble in water in all proportions. Test 3. Effect on litmus. Use a clean dropper and pour 1 to 2 drops of acetic acid on blue litmus paper. Observation. Blue litmus paper changes red. Inference. Acetic acid is acidic in nature. Test 4. Sodium bicarbonate test. Take a little of sodium bicarbonate in a clean test tube and add 1 drop of dilute acetic acid in the test tube. Observation. Reaction starts, brisk effervescence is viewed, colorless gas is evolved. Inference. Acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate react to liberate CO2 gas. Second part. Fix a cork with bent delivery tube in the mouth of the test tube. Dip the other end of the delivery tube in a test tube having freshly prepared lime water. Observation. Lime water becomes milky. Inference. CO2 gas evolved above react with calcium hydroxide, lime water, to form calcium carbonate, white PPT, which is insoluble in water. CaOH2 plus CO2 results in CaCO3, white precipitate, plus H2O in liquid state. Reaction taking place. NaHCO3 in solid state. Sodium bicarbonate plus CH3COOH in liquid state. Acetic acid results in CH3COONA in aqueous state. Sodium acetate plus H2O in liquid state. Water plus CO2 in gaseous state. Carbon dioxide. Precautionary measures. 1. Acetic acid should be handled carefully. 2. The vapors of the chemicals should not be inhaled directly, in fact, waft the vapors to smell. 3. Add only a little amount of NaHCO3 to ethanoic acid to control the intensity of CO2 evolved. 4. Use only freshly prepared lime water for CO2 test.